I didn't know they were going to back it.
Yeah, that was interesting.
I'll come out here tomorrow and get them coming back.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They'll bring it back tomorrow. The festival runs through tomorrow about 5 o'clock, I think.
So the train's actually be at Midway?
Yeah. It's going to be there at the old depot for the festival.
I might just take the kids down there today. See?
Yeah, I'm going on down there too and take some shots of it down there.
You a train enthusiast?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good.
My grandfather was a railroader on the C&O out of Huntington, West Virginia.
Okay.
And let me turn this off. When I was a tiny little